Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sassy Shiv Says. Well, today's video is dedicated to skincare where I decided to pull out top 5 of my personal favorite Innisfree products that have helped my skin a lot, especially in this downpour and with non-stop travel. I'm sure travel does the same to your skin as well, but with these 5 products, I'm sure you'll be sorted and your skin will thank you. So if you want to know which are these 5 Innisfree products that have made it to my must-have list, then keep on watching. The first product is Innisfree's Green Tea Cleanser, which has a gel to foam finish. Now this will melt away your makeup with so much ease, but also at the same time act as a double deep cleanser, and it also melts away all the waterproof and all the long-lasting makeup, which is double thumbs up. What I like about it is that it's not harsh on my super sensitive skin, and it also has a calming and a moisturizing effect. If you want to use this as a makeup remover, then make sure to use the gel directly without applying any water on your face, and then add water once you've massaged your face directly with the gel. But if you're using this on a dry skin, then make sure to mix up with water and then use it as a face cleanser. Now this is priced at rupees 1150 and it's definitely worth every penny. The second product is Jeju Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam by Innisfree again, and it is a must-have for people like me who've got a combination to oily to super oily skin or a sensitive skin. This will take care of your oily T-zone or your clogged pores in a jiffy. What I like about this is that it contains Jeju Volcanic clusters that act as excellent exfoliators, and it will completely nourish and take care of your skin, and even your pores will be completely purified. A personal tip from my side, make sure to not use this product for more than 10 to 15 seconds or for a longer duration. Like, don't keep on massaging your face because it tends to over dry your face if you use it for a longer duration, if you know what I mean. So stick to the 8 to 10 seconds face wash exfoliating routine and you'll be fine using this one. Now this is priced at rupees 650 for the 150 ml tube, but this will last you for a really long time, so that's a plus point again. The third product, which is going to my top 5 Innisfree must-haves, is this Green Tea Balancing Special Kit. Now what I like the most about this particular balancing kit is that this is a travel-friendly kit, and as opposed to having to carry all the big bottles for your skincare, you can just skip that and take this smaller pack, which is 15 ml, ideal to carry, lightweight, and it really doesn't take up much space in your bag when you're traveling. Now this one is the green tea serum, the second one is the lotion, and the third one is the cream. So it's like a complete moisturizing kit that you can carry on your travels. It is available in 2 variations, a 5 ml kit and a 15 ml. I have the 15 ml kit because I feel the 5 ml is too small. You use it once, twice and it's over. Even this I feel is too small. That's like the only drawback for this particular product, but then when you're traveling, this is really handy. So I only use it when I'm on my travels, and the 15 ml one is priced at around 560, 570-ish. Now they say that this product is ideal for all skin types, but I would personally say that people with dry skin type will really like this product because it'll suit you way more compared to other skin types. Now the fourth product that I have is this Jeju Volcanic Nose Pack. This is a cute pack again, which consists of 6 sheets, which is amazing, and it is priced at 200 only. So in 200 rupees, this is a steal for sure, and this lasts you for long because if you use one nose strip in like 20 days, once in 20 days, you're still good, and it's ideal to take care of your nose blackheads. Now this Jeju Volcanic Clay is actually a powerful blackhead remover, and you'll see the difference on your nose once you start to use this. I've actually reduced the usage to once in every month because it's that powerful and that good, and I always have one of these sheets in my bag when I'm on the go. Now the last and the fifth product from the Innisfree range that goes up in my Innisfree must-have products is this white tone-up cream. Now, I don't like to use this all over my face or neck, more on that in a bit, but this is priced at 1500 rupees, so I feel this is slightly on the higher end for the 50 ml pack. This is but I like to target it and use this cream because if you have blemishes or any pimple that is left mark on your face, or if you see any uneven texture, then you can take a little bit of this cream and use it on the targeted area. That'll actually help you get even skin tone, and you will see that the marks have reduced. One thing that I would like to mention personally, that I've used this cream and I've liked it, is on my arms. I had a very uneven suntan, and I've used this just on the top portion where the tan was really uneven and dark, and this has actually evened out my skin tones on my arms. So I like to use it specifically on target areas, and this is definitely helpful. One of the reasons why I keep reaching out to this cream is that it contains vitamin B3 and fresh berries ingredients that help you even out your skin texture and get rid of those harsh marks. So ladies and gents, this was my personal favorite list of top 5 Innisfree products that you should definitely include in your skincare. If you like more such videos, then make sure to comment below and let me know which is your favorite go-to Innisfree product, and if I should bring more such reviews for you all. Until then, keep it sassy, and before you go, don't forget to hit the bell notification and subscribe so that you don't miss out any video that we post.